Namaste, my name is Bobby Khanals. As you know, I'm coming with some small information, small video. So hope you're gonna like it. If you like, share and subscribe or whatever, you can see more and more that. I'm talking about the kitchens, equipments, how to cook, the hash-ups, and so many things. I have small. I'm not gonna go the details. The small information I'm gonna give you. Chef is not easy life. Have to be focused on so many things. When you enter the kitchens, you go with the danger zones. We have so many difficult equipment has to be used. And you have to fight with the fire. You have to fight with the other people's life. If you did something mistake for the food, you're gonna get the trouble. And there's so many things in the kitchen, inside the kitchens. Yes, whenever you work, please be carefully. Use the hat always with the proper uniform. Follow the always grooming standard. This is the most important. And personal hygiene. Never think about the chef job is very simple and easy job. You know how many equipment we have to prepare, how many equipment we have to use, and the fire always we have to fight with the fire, with the coals, and go in the chillers, and you have to look up the HACCP things. So many HACCPs are going over there. So you have to check the date labels when the expirings, and you have to cook them properly. What is the cooking temperatures? What is the reheating temperatures? And what is the HACCP? And so many things has to be knowledge. And not only making the food, only that. And food also making when you make, but you have to look the what is the portion of the foods. Main course or starters, plus which kind of meat you are making, what is the protein you're gonna put, what is carbohydrate you're gonna put. This we have to make the combinations and perfect, and 180 to 200 maximum we have to put the meat size. You cannot put bigger than, because this is for the main course. If you have the starters, you have to put like 80 grams to 90 grams. Chef is not easy job, not easy to do. You know, you have to fill up so many things, managing the teams, menu plannings, menu developing, the costing, and the making product knowledge. There's so many inside there is. And just I want to share something else. So I began work in the kitchen department in some hotel and resorts, many hotel and resorts. And as moved the kitchens, and I started feeling love with the kitchens. When I love, I never look in the times. And in my careers, I never look at the times. And just only I finish when I done my job. And sometimes morning to evening. And sometimes, the kitchen life job. Everyone there knows. And I love to make the foods, and the nice creative of the food, nice presentations. Whenever you make the food, please make sure it's delicious, tasty, and cook well. Myself, I try to learn so many things. I visit many of the 5-star luxury hotels in the different countries, different places, and different cultures. And still I'm trying to learn so many things. Sometimes we are very busy and busy with the office and managing team and go to the meeting and so many things. Sometimes I think myself, if I want the kitchens to make nice dish and give to customer, how they feel happy. These days also I remember, but it's very hard to find that. But I can cook, but we have to check the situations, what time available times. And we have to focus on the teams, how they are, and they have development plans and trading plans, and of course every kitchens they have trading plans, and we are showing something nice, different plated them to develop them careers, motivate to them. This is the what I am doing. And sometimes I feel if I am the kitchens every time, so I don't know how many kind of dishes and how nice plated I can make it. This also imagine sometimes, this is the life, you have to think everywhere, bottom to up,